Yeah, man. Boss said is in the kitchen today, chefing up some really hard man food, you know. See the bar settings here. Come in the kitchen. Yeah, see the bar settings. See it? See the pips?
I can't show what I say.
that?
Dumpling and pan, these things.
Great boss said I prepare fish. The fish them here. Yeah, my peeps. Great boss said in the kitchen. Okra, everything cut up. Everything well seasoned up, my peeps.
Feel like a joke.
Believe. Bad chef. Yeah, man. Bad chef, my peeps.
That's right, boss. No, look at joke.
Great Everton there. All over there.
The action talk, you know.
Yeah, man.
The
Outside.
action talk, you know. Yes, right?
Action talk.
Yeah, man, we don't put a bag of talk, man.
Yeah,
We
man.
don't deal
Boss said in the kitchen here, my peeps. Fully active. Fully active. Pot a bubble. Big bad chef in the kitchen, my peeps.
Yeah, just go saute up them things, you know. So we can steam down with fish proper. Alright. Right, so now we smoke the brain, man. I lie.
A lie.
Buckle out with something that go chain.
Jaja, big bad chef in my peeps. Any event, anything. Yeah, man, check him out.
Want a hot piece of grab oil
Yeah,
in
man.
it though. Steady way, 'cause you know say brain off the
Believe.
parts. I lie. Not you.
Believe me, peeps. See one Everton, yeah.
I lie. One and only.
One of them say if you take down some of my belly, look on his belly, me
Girl, them
peeps.
teddy beer. Like, no man, talk is real talk, man. Girl, them teddy beer. One and only. Like, yeah, man.
Yeah, me peeps. Hey, God Almighty.
Oh, look at job.
Yeah, man, you hear that, me peeps? So if you don't want a little warmness, that's the man over there, my peeps. Yeah, man. So all of the ladies, them,
Right?
Everton is the man. Yeah, man. See it? Fish the pan grill. Thing are steamed down, different style. Yeah, man. Busted in the kitchen. Oh, that's Everton. Tell him what I got.
That's Everton. They make the girl them belly ever round.
Jaja, yo. Look on him belly, me peeps. Whoa, yo.
Big belly road boy in the house. No, you're not
Jai.
talking right. You're not talking right. You're not talking right. That's Everton. Ever on like a young ram. You know, it's the boy, big belly road boy. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, my peeps. So then in the kitchen. See it? Busted in the kitchen. So, yeah, man.
Start up the veg, you know.
So anything, any event, any big party, just link up. Come chef up some real authentic food. Yeah, man.